Hello everyone and welcome to Placement Pathshala. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video we are going to study about Go programming language. So we are going to start a new course on Go programming. So Go is very important programming language nowadays because most of the startup as well as MNCs use golang for their projects. So you must know golang. It's very easy to learn and syntax is very similar to C and C++. So if you have studied C and C++ in your college, it will be very helpful to understand. Even though if you haven't studied any programming language, then also you can start with Go language. So now look at the course overview. What are the things we are going to study in this course? So what you will learn here is first Go syntax and basic concept. So concept like variable, constants, these things we will be studying, and data types, functions and their various forms. We will be studying pointers and memory management, how memory management is done, and concept of pointer in Golang. So pointer is very widely used in Go language, so you must understand the concept of pointers very well. The next is arrays, slices and maps. So these three topics are very important and used for data structures and algorithm as well. Next is struct and methods. So struct is very important because for other programming language we have classes, but in Golang we don't have class, we have struct. So widely we will be using a struct, so you must be understanding it very well. Next is interface and polymorphism. So these are the very important concept for Golang. So these are the basic and most important topics. So now what is the prerequisite? No programming experience required. If you know programming, it's really good, but even though if you don't know, you can start with Golang. Now coming to module 1. So what are the things we are going to study in module 1? So in module 1, we will be getting started with Golang and we will write our first Go program, that is hello world. Similar to all other programming language, in Golang also we will write our first program as hello world. So now let's understand what is Go. So Go is also called Golang, is a programming language developed by Google in 2007. So in 2007, Google developed this programming language, and after that it became very widely used programming language. So nowadays most of the company uses Golang. It's simple and easy to learn and read. It's quick and run efficiently. So why is the need of this Golang? Because it's quick and run efficiently. Even it's faster than C and C++. Next, it handles concurrent multiple tasks simultaneously, prevents many common programming errors. So syntax is also simple, so it prevents programming errors. So now we will set up the Go environment and write our first code in Golang, that is hello world. So once you are done with setup, you can use Go version to check the version you have installed. If it shows the version, then your setup is complete. Then you can start your first Go program. So now let's start with the code. So now write a code and understand. So first we will check the Go version. So it will return the Go version which you have installed. So any of the version is fine. But if there is no version showing, then your setup is not complete. And if you are getting the Go version, which means you have completed the Go setup, you can start with the programming. Now I will create one file, main.go. So we will be writing all the code inside this file, inside this main.go. So first we will declare a package. First we will declare a package main. So in Golang we will start with a package name. Here this is the main function, so we have written package main, and then we will import fmt. So what is this fmt? This is used for printing input and output. So here if you see package fmt implements formatted input and output with function analog to C, printf and scanf. So similar to printf and scanf in C program. Now after this we will write our function main. So in Golang, function start with func keyword, func, and then name of the function. Here this is main function, so we don't have any parameters in it, and then curly braces open and close. So this is very important because in C or C++ generally we will write curly braces. We can start from the next line. If you start the curly braces in the next line, here you can see unexpected semicolon or new line before. So this is not allowed here because in Golang we will be not using semicolon. So you can see the difference in C, C++ and Golang. here semicolon will be not used anywhere. So now we will print fmt dot print ln and inside this hello world. Now save this file, and to execute the code we will use go run and name of the file main.go. Here you can see hello world printed. So we will go through this code once again. So we will declare a package main and then import the fmt for printing input and output, and then we will declare function main and then print hello world. So this is our hello world, and this is the basic syntax of golang. So in that code you can try to modify with the hello world to your name and try to print your name instead of hello world. So that is the homework for you. You can try it out. So this was it for this video. So this is our first introductory video for Golang. So we have studied only the basic concept and we have seen the hello world program. Now in the next lecture we will be studying about variables and constant. So make sure you watch the video till end and subscribe to this channel for the new videos. Thank you.